I don't want things to happen to myself or my sisters or anyone I know.
This surveillance video just released shows the man cops believe is responsible for 3 vicious attacks in Hamilton Heights this month. His female victims range in age from 23 to 69. All were raped and robbed at knife point between the hours of 1 and 4 a.m. Women in the community are very worried. That's why Fatima Torres of the Donar Community Organization set up a public meeting with police.
Our main focus is to educate the community, to make sure that they have the right information.
The rapist first struck near West 148th Street and Broadway on August 1st. Cops say he grabbed a 59-year-old woman, then dragged her at knife point into an alleyway where he raped and robbed her. Police officer Alan Asusto told women they need to be aware of their surroundings.
What happens sometimes, ladies carry very big handbags, and then when they get to their door, they're searching for the keys, and it could take like a minute sometimes to find the key. So we really recommend that you have the key in your hand.
On August 10th, a 23-year-old woman was walking near West 144th Street and Convent Avenue when cops say the suspect followed her into an elevator, then raped and robbed her.
If you can't get out of the elevator, we really highly recommend that you stand next to the buttons. Because if you stand next to the buttons on the elevator, you can control the elevator.
Here near West 158th Street and Riverside Drive, cops say the suspect followed a 69-year-old woman into an elevator, then raped and robbed her. Cops informed the community about their efforts and told women to stay alert. The suspect is described as a black male in his 30s, 5'9" to 6 feet tall, wearing a black hoodie, blue jeans, and white sneakers with red stripes on the soles.
As a community, we're going to be able to assist the police in tracking this guy down because he is preying on women in a very systematic and intentional way, and he's not going to stop until he's apprehended.
If you recognize the suspect we just showed you, cops in this community would like you to call 1-800-577-TIPS. And remember, you don't have to give your name. In Hamilton Heights, Lisa Evers, Fox 5 News.